Hey guys, it's Kiara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my paste for my treatments and how I apply my treatment to my hair. I do these at least 2 to 3 times a month. I try to put 4 in, but sometimes it just doesn't happen that way. I started doing these because I just dyed my hair every single color you can think of, and with black hair or dark brown hair as myself, you have to bleach it a whole bunch of times. So my curls weren't too good, guys. If you want to see how I do that, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's my paste, and it smells so good. I don't know why, but I like the smell of it. So now to start it, my hair is a little wet because the thing was that I was gonna do it, but then I thought, let me film it. So by the time I set up and everything, it did dry a little bit. So I can show you from the beginning exactly what I did. Tie this piece up. Okay, and I divide this piece into pieces, just enough to like get it through. It doesn't have to be perfect. 2, 3 times or 3 parts, it doesn't really matter. So then I sling this one over. And I spray it. It has conditioner in it. I'll wet it. Okay, if you have curly hair, you're not going to just run this type of brush through your hair with it dry, because you will pull your hair out. This morning I did not untangle my hair with this. I entangled my hair with my wide tooth comb, not this. But this was recommended to me by a friend when I started my natural process, and it's supposed to make your hair curly. So I start off by unknotting the piece. Then I'll take some and you run it through your hair, just like so. And I pay a lot of attention to my ends. It just feels weird because it's like I'm putting food in my hair. What the heck? You want to massage it into your head. I divide it into 2 pieces. And I twist it. So it could really lock in. And then after that, I twist it. And that's it. And then I do the same thing, like doing 6 just to get in there deeper. just use bobby pins and clip them up. Just like that. We're gonna keep this in for an hour. And you can do it longer if you'd like. But I do it for an hour. One time I did it for 3 hours. It felt the same. So after you do all of that, I also use oils in my hair. This is 2 different oils. It's actually castor oil, and I also use this other one, which is wild growth hair oil. And I have to admit that I just started using this oil because the castor oil was really thick, so I didn't like using it and it left my hair really oily, so I wanted something to blend it with. But it's not just for growing your hair, it also says for natural softening, retexturizer, detangler, and less frizz. Those were the main things that caught my eye. Now it's a better consistency. I don't know how long I'll be using them because I don't want my hair to get really oily. I really like that the first couple of products are coconut oil, olive oil, and rice bran oil, and cocoa butter. Like, they're all natural. So as I was talking to the lady that had recommended this in the hair store, there was another girl there and actually had told me that this really helped with growing her hair a lot, and it works really good, and you'll see some results in 2 weeks. So we'll see if I see any results. I do have to trim my ends, so if they grow back in 2 weeks, I mean, I'll let you guys know. But anywho, for now I am going to continue to use this. If you guys have anything better for me to use, let me know, and I will love to try new things. I just run this through my hair like a little massage. And another thing is, I really don't like the smell of this. It's not the worst smell, but I just don't really like it. I like things that smell good. This is what I'm working with right now. And I put it through the parts, and then I go through each piece. And I just massage it with the bottle. What I noticed is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the castor oil, like, it's so thick. Try to really shake it up really good to get a combination of both. That's it. And now you just leave it in for an hour or 2, wash it off. So I will wash this off and I'll show you guys what it looks like after I washed it. Okay guys, so I waited an hour and then I washed it out. You have to wash it out really well and run something like a comb, or you can use your fingers as well, because you will be left with some avocado in your hair. And that's all there is to it. Bye, see you in my next video.